M12 cordless quarter-inch hex 2-speed screwdriver, part of the industry's most versatile subcompact system from Milwaukee. Featuring a 2-speed gearbox with 18 clutch settings and up to 275 inch-pounds of torque, the M12 screwdriver delivers superior power and precision for unmatched versatility. Slim grip and improved ergonomics optimize comfort and control for all-day use, while a reversible belt clip provides tool belt portability. All M12 tools are controlled by Milwaukee's patented Red Link intelligence to protect your investment against overload, and powered by M12 Red Lithium batteries for more power, more runtime, and more recharges than any battery on the market. Versatile, compact, and powerful, the M12 quarter-inch hex 2-speed screwdriver, part of the M12 system featuring over 60 cordless solutions from Milwaukee.
Screwdrivers all have the same problem. You have to hold the screw. Not anymore. The WORX SD driver with automatic screw holder holds the screws for you. Drive screws with one hand, even above your head or in hard-to-reach places. Keep up to 6 bits on board and switch between them with the slide action. It's all powered by a lithium-ion battery that stays charged for up to 18 months. Need an extra hand? You've got it. The WORX SD driver with automatic screw holder. Get yours today.
The 3.6 volt lithium-ion screwdriver, the DB3DL2. This tool has a lot of great uses for around the house. Whether you're prepping for painting and removing wall switches and outlet covers, or perhaps hanging curtain rods, or even doing light electrical fixtures, ceiling fans, or perhaps door hardware, deadbolts, anywhere where you might use a traditional screwdriver, this tool is going to do it much faster and make the job go a lot smoother. Professionals will also find this tool extremely handy, whether you're an electrician, plumber, woodworker, or just a general handyman. Whenever you need a screwdriver, this is what you can reach for. It's powered by a lightweight 1.5 amp hour, 3.6 volt lithium-ion battery. Lithium-ion batteries last 3 times longer than a traditional battery, while a NiCad or nickel metal hydrate battery can only be charged approximately 500 times. A lithium-ion battery can be charged approximately 1,500 times. This is going to save you a lot of money in the long run. You may have noticed with traditional NiCad or nickel metal hydrate batteries that as the battery begins to discharge, the the tool loses power. With lithium ion, that problem is solved. The battery will deliver full power to the tool until it is fully discharged. It has a dual position handle with a comfort rubberized grip, so the tool can convert from straight to pistol grip depending on your application. It also features a built-in LED light located at the head of the tool directly under the hex chuck. It is operated by a button at the back of the grip and is great when you get into a small, tight space that is low in light. The tool has a rocker switch for forward and reverse, as well as a 2-speed gear switch at top for low and high speed settings. The low speed setting would be used for driving screws, while the high speed setting would be used for drilling applications. This tool also features a 21+1 stage clutch system, which allows you to set the tool from 1 to 21 depending on how much torque you need. It also has a drill mode. At just over 10.5 inches in length and weighing in at just under a pound, this tool is extremely lightweight and compact. It also features a 1/4-inch hex chuck for quick and easy bit replacement. To remove the 1/4-inch hex bit, simply slide the sleeve up, grab your bit, and you can replace it with any other 1/4-inch hex bit that you'd like, and you're ready to go. This cordless drill driver features Hitachi's lifetime lithium-ion tool warranty and 2-year lithium-ion battery warranty, making this tool an even greater value. This cordless driver comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries, a 30-minute quick charger, a 1/4-inch hex Phillips bit, and a convenient storage case for easy transport and portability.